Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're going to switch DNS now. First, verify your device supports private DNS or your router supports encrypted DNS. This avoids wasted steps. Once confirmed, choose an ad blocking provider and copy its server name exactly. Make a quick backup of current DNS settings and Wi-Fi credentials so you can restore if needed. Now open Settings and go directly to Network or Private DNS. Don't wander through unrelated menus. Follow the next slide to configure and test the change. You'll input the provider hostname and enable Private DNS or DNS over TLS on the router. Accuracy matters because a mistyped name breaks resolution. After saving, flush the DNS cache on your device and restart networking or reboot the router to ensure the new server is used. Then, open multiple sites and note ads removed. Use a DNS test tool to confirm queries go to the chosen host. If some ads remain, make sure the provider blocks ad domains rather than just filtering trackers. Complete setup by documenting the new DNS host and locking settings where available, so accidental changes don't revert your protection. If pages fail to load, revert quickly to your backup settings, then try a different ad-blocking DNS hostname. Some providers block needed domains. Also, be aware, VPN, parental controls, or some ISPs can intercept DNS. If that happens, disable VPN or test on another network. If problems persist, restart devices and recheck the hostname spelling.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.